Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please watch to the end as I transform ordinary wool into an adorable flower. Here, count out 8 teeth from the comb. Wrap around the first color of wool there for 8 times. And tie to secure. Now, attach the second color of wool at the middle of the woolen design already on the comb. And wrap it around 10 times to make visible combination. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the comb and then sew it to form round shape. Attach a small bead at the middle. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together. Sew in a bead at the middle to make the flower flawless. Please guys, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all soon.